I believe in rule of law. Salman Taseer was the constitutional head of the biggest province in Pakistan. He himself broke the law. He had no authority to enter inside a jail and address a press conference with a convicted woman. And when he did that, some religious leaders, they tried to lodge a police complaint against him, but he was the constitutional head and nobody registered a case against him. When there was no case against him and the law became uh, a joke in Punjab, so then another extremist, uh, he took the law into his hands and he shot Salman Taseer.